Perfetti in India specifically has been 26 years in India now. And we grew from practically zero 26 years ago to the 2000 crore company where we are today.
So we are known for innovation, we are known for our great taste, quality of the products in India as well as across the globe. Digitization is heart of Perfetti. So technology plays a very important role within the organization.
Previously, when we are working on the project unit, when we want to use the meeting rooms, we need to connect the cables for the projecting, using the projector, we need to have the IT team for the supporting team, everything. So instead of that one, we are looking the wireless presentation, and we should have the some interactive section will be there for the user. They can have the update the platform, what they want, they can zoom it, they can zoom out, and that one.
Before this panel, it was really a very painful process for us to conduct a meeting for more than 10 or 15 people.
Actually, this whole journey started when we decided to completely innovate our office here in Gurgaon. And one of the key requirements is to bring smart offices basically. And that time, we were exploring various solutions which can reduce manual task, manual activity. And we found BenQ as one of the good solution in this area, and we started with BenQ for installing them in small as well as bigger meeting rooms.
So because of we have also done some of the proof of concept in our office 2-3 times. We asked for the BenQ suggested. Because of other brands, we are not able to do the proof of concept. So once we have done the proof of concept, we finalized the BenQ as a most interactive section we can have in our offices.
We want to make things simple. We don't like complicated things. So BenQ is a very simple product. You can simply use it.
In our offices right now, we have the distillation platform, interactive screen, and wall display systems we are using right now.
BenQ plays a huge role, right? Because the meetings, international meetings, are held through video conferencing, and we have fantastic screens with BenQ that are interactive, large, easy to connect to. Everyone that steps into the meeting shares their screen on the large BenQ screen. We switch between screens.
When we talk about the features which I like most, sharing with the simple app which is installed on our laptops as well as on our mobile phone, which is called as InstaShare. It is very easy. The good thing is, since it is on Wi-Fi, sitting anywhere in the office, I can share my screen, and it is not necessary that I need to be here in the meeting room. I can share it from anywhere. So another feature I like most is EZ Write, which allows me to use whiteboard wherein we have a lot of discussions, we get inputs, and that all annotations which we are getting, we can share it with everyone who are there in the meetings.
Using this floating tool, we can use multiple colors to just explain the depth of the process, and it's really helpful to explain them quickly.
Apart from that, we are also using the mirror screen. For example, some users not in the office, they want to connect that one. We can give the mirror screening option to them, so that they can able to view this one option also. In the wall display, that is we are using that is a 4K resolution panel, because of in the Perfetti we are doing the branding. We should have the big picture quality should be the high definition quantity. That's why one of the thing we are using the very high quality pictures, and that playing very perfectly on the right now in the reception area.
From a pure CSR perspective, I think technology plays a very, very key and critical role, because one of our objective is also to help reduce carbon emission. And if we see the use of technology has eliminated the need of in-person meeting, and therefore reduces the need for either us as Mancom to travel to our locations or to our plants and to our branch offices, as also for those people to reduce and manage their time well.
I personally feel with such kind of a technology enablement, our meetings are more productive. It's very easy to connect. In our organization, people are connecting very smoothly, and they're very happy.
I already recommended BenQ to our other countries, and I recommend this product because I'm happy I'm using it already. If there is something which is working good for you and it can help others also, why not?